Hello, today I'll be showing you how to watch Disney Plus with your friends on Discord. So, first find a TV show or a movie you want to watch and click on it. Then go to Discord. And here, if you don't have a really good PC, you can turn off hardware acceleration because it's not going to lag when you watch a TV show or a movie. To do that, just go under the settings. Then click on advanced, and here you can turn off hardware acceleration. After you've done that, you can go back, join a voice channel, then click on this icon where it says share your screen. Here just select the window where Disney Plus is opened, like that, and go live. Now, if the audio isn't working while streaming, you can go to the settings, scroll down, click on registered games. Here add the browser where Disney Plus is playing, like this, and click on add game. And that should fix it. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe.